Over $300,000 raised at Dragon Con here in Atlanta will help Georgians struggling with their mental health. Atlanta News First, Sydney Stallworth is live in Atlanta for us. And Sydney, all that fun helped fundraise for a noble cause.
Tracy, that's exactly right. Cosplaying for a cause, right? You know, this year Dragon Con managed to raise an all-time high, record-breaking $320,000 for a local charity. And this year that money is going toward NAMI Georgia, the National Alliance on Mental Illness. And it's coming at a time when the state of Georgia is ranked among the worst in the country for mental health resources and care.
This would definitely be our record-breaking numbers this year.
Cosplay, shaping the community. Atlanta's sold out 2025 Dragon Con weekend, racking up a record-breaking $320,000 in fundraising, bound for the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI Georgia.
With the way of the world and everything happening, we really wanted to hone in on mental health and our focus on just, as you mentioned, finding that connective thread between us all.
Last year, Mental Health America ranked Georgia near last, 47th out of all 50 states when it comes to mental health access. We reached out to NAMI Georgia to get an idea of the work they're doing to curb that staggering statistic. The group tells Atlanta News First they held over 2,000 mental health events last year, helped pass 12 mental health related bills, and its helpline responded to over 1,400 calls from Georgians in need of immediate mental health resources. Over 75,000 attendees flocked to Atlanta for Dragon Con.
The Dragon Con hustle, and all of that money goes in. We have silent auctions, we have public auctions of art and things donated from our fans as well as from our attendees.
Dragon Con itself matching $150,000 to give NAMI Georgia as well. Attendees say the event is a safe space.
It's an event where we make new friends, just have a good time. You forget about all the burdens and the weight.
So the partnership made perfect sense.
It felt like it made the most sense to really not only double down on the focus on mental health, but really kind of use that as our connector to be you, step off planet, turn off the noise of the world around you, and just enjoy.
Now, I also touched base with NAMI Georgia tonight, and I asked them what their biggest goal is for the $320,000 coming from Dragon Con. Besides their traditional programming, they say this year they're focused in on improving insurance coverage for mental health care. They say they want to eventually make it just as equitable as physical health care coverage. In Midtown Atlanta, I'm Sydney Stallworth, Atlanta News First.